statement of a sitting minister of the state of West Bengal saying that, no, not all, there's something very serious, that if anybody talks anything against our leader, his fingers will be chopped off.
Well, then I will read the leader of the opposition statement.
Go into it. Nobody should speak.
Bullets will be fired. Bullets will be fired is what he said.
What we would also expect, please don't politicize.
Exactly.
No, you have these kinds of elements everywhere on all sides of the spectrum.
The statements made of the nature that we have placed before you.
I appear for the
Only a minute,
of...
let this thought. Lord, we are not against, Lord, nobody should make any statement.
That's right.
We have a statement of a sitting minister of the state of West Bengal saying that, no, not all, there's something very serious, that if anybody talks anything against our leader, his fingers will be chopped off.
Well, then I will read the leader of the opposition statement.
Go into it. Nobody should speak.
Bullets will be fired. Bullets will be fired is what he said.
What we would also expect,
Yes.
please don't politicize.
Exactly.
So Bindu has said bullets will be fired.
Across the political spectrum,
Yes.
parties have to realize, don't politicize.
That's
Exactly.
The law will take its
Started by
course.
saying
Yes.
step
The
back.
law will take its course, and we are ensuring that the law does take its course after a quick and efficient
Deeply
investigation.
obliged. Deeply obliged.
Second, we are also concerned about the welfare and safety of doctors for the future. We want to institutionalize this.
That's right.
Yes.
We are not just going to lay down guidelines. We are going to pass an enforceable direction that the recommendations of the task force will be implemented by the state governments by hospitals under the authority of the union government.
Lordship, there is
By
a
my
possibility of...
interruption, I prevented a political dialogue by giving this instance.
Mine is not, but just 10 seconds. What I'm saying, Lordship. One
Well,
submission, Lordship.
nobody should say acid bombs will be used, this should be done, bullets will be fired. It's all wrong, Malad.
Well, God knows you have these kind of elements everywhere on all sides of the spectrum.
Exactly.
Now tell us, we don't know who has said that.
We've got the clips.
You have given that to us, but
Yes.
what is the idea?
And the leader of the opposition has done this.
Malad,
Leader of
I am
the
also
opposition.
getting, Malad, many things.
Quay home, there's a protective order. We can't lodge an FIR.
A responsible way of not placing it before the
Yes.
court.
Therefore,
It
we
is
have
to be
said
ignored,
that when we
not
said
to be
that
highlighted.
peaceful protesters will not be disturbed,
Yeah.
that is equally subject to compliance with the
Yes,
other requirements.
deeply.
The intimation to the district magistrate.
Lordship, may I say one thing, Lordship? Lordship, because of two investigating agencies are investigating, the vandalism is being investigated by the police and other side is investigated by the CBI. Lordship, there is an apprehension that conflict will be there. Lordship, because vandalism...
Don't worry about it. We are here to resolve any
consider
conflict.
that
What
as
is
the
here on the next
Right, that's the thing, Lordship, because...
Media trial also must be banned. Media spreading rumors, it is insulting the victim, my lord. Kindly stop.
We've already passed that order.
It is alleged.
CB may not.
One more thing, if you stop filing all those publicity interest litigations that I come every day before this court, I think the media trial will stop. Constantly filing some PIL or the other before us. All right, we'll see.
Lordship, may I just finally say that this hearing has provided a healing touch to the doctors. The doctors who
Yes.
felt they had nobody to vent their grievance with. Your Lordships have heard it so patiently, and there's a sense of satisfaction among the doctors that they felt that they now feel that they've finally been heard. So we would just like
Yes,
to thank your
we
Lordships.
thank.
When-
Saprajita,